Hi, I'm Neil with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. We just finished the seat covers on the 2016 Ram 2500. So let's check these out inside here. It's a Kryptek Raid material. Looks awesome, front and back. MOLLE Pocket Special Ops package. It's a great set inside here, so let's check them out. This is a 600 denier, water resistant and abrasion resistant material. As you can see, the 20 section is covered as well here in the middle. This is a straight bench, back seat, no split in it, and no rear armrest. So solid bench, back seat with 3 headrest covers. So you can see that small headrest cover is a separate cover there, and then the two larger ones on the sides. Now this is the Special Ops package. It's a set of 8 pockets, forged large pockets that would form rifle slings, or it can also be used to carry a fishing pole. Fishing pole's displayed here in this case. This is the driver's side MOLLE Pocket. It's a sewn-on pocket, but it opens on the inside right here, so you could put gear on the inside and then hook your MOLLE webbing on the outside of it. Your MOLLE webbing accessories there on the outside. Thanks again for watching. This has been Neil here with coversandcamo.com. See more options there on our website. Just like this awesome 2016 Ram 2500, your seat covers are going to be beautiful and you're going to love them. They're functional, look great inside there. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com. Get yours ordered today. Thank you.